Unbelievable, my lovely, wonderful people. See what Supreme Court has done to the Fubara'S case, seeking to remove 27 pro-Wike lawmakers in Rivers State. Now you may be wondering what is going on. I'll give a bit of antecedents to this very issue. Fubara became governor and Wike has been on his tail because according to Wike, he sowed a lot of seed. For instance, from buying of the form interest nomination form to campaign to all sorts. He said he did everything, not just for Wike. We're talking about House of Representative guys, local government chairman, to mention but a few. And guess what? He said these guys are loyal to him. When Fubara became governor, Wike put them all at his tail to begin to watch him and give feedback on Fubara'S, of Fubara'S activity. Everyone was paying attention. Now, these 27 lawmakers were, are loyal to Wike, and when Fubara brings anything, Wike has to give a stamp before they can move on. Of course, they by themselves decided to say, you know what, we are leaving the People Democratic Party, which brought them to power. And according to the Constitution, if you leave a party that brings you to power, my dear, you don't fulfill that seat. It is the onions now lies with with INEC to go ahead and to reconduct another election to fill those seats. But because Nigeria people they do things the way they want, the right things have not been done. Fubara has refused to Fubara has refused to do anything with these guys, and guess what, right now things are really turning the other way. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Let's get all the details. Supreme Court just dismissed Governor Fubara'S suit seeking to remove 27 pro-Wike's lawmakers from the House. The Supreme Court has dismissed the suit filed by the Rivers State Governor Sim Fubara over the representation of the 2024 budget before the 27 members of the Rivers State House of Assembly loyal to Wike. Many are wondering what is really going on here. The Apex Court on Monday dismissed the suit in a ruling delivered by Justice Musa following the dramatic withdrawal of the appeal by Fubara through his late counsel Yusuf Ali Sam. Governor Fubara, in the notice for withdrawal of the case, simply informed three-man panel of the justice of the court that events had overtaken his suit. The request for the withdrawal of the contagious suit was not opposed by the Rivers State House of Assembly and its Speaker, Martin, who were represented by Chief Whip Olamipekun San. Following no objection from the parties, the Apex Court dismissed the case and awarded 4 million naira against Fubara to be paid to the House of Assembly and Martin, the Speaker of the House of Assembly. Addressing newsmen shortly after the dismissal of the suit, Senior Advocate of Nigeria, Ken, said that the case has been firmly cleared for the 27 lawmakers to take over the House of Assembly fully. The senior advocate explained that all steps taken by Fubara in the absence of the 27 lawmakers, including presentation of the 2024-2025 budget to only 3 lawmakers, among others, have become nullified. The Court of Appeal had on Thursday, October the 10th, 2024, dismissed Fubara's appeal on the same matter. Similarly, the Federal High Court in Abuja, presided over by Justice James Omotosho, on January the 22nd, 2024, nullified the passage of Rivers State 800 billion 2024 budget by 4 members of the House of Assembly. The court has described the bill passage by the 4 lawmakers led by Honorable Ehis Edosin as the arbitration of illegality. It consequently ordered Governor Fubara to represent the budget to Honorable Martin led administration. The suit filed by the 27 members of the Assembly loyal to the former governor of the state and Federal Capital Territory FCT Minister Nyesom Wike received the blessing of the lower courts. Listed as defendants in the suit marked, the suit number is there, are the National Assembly, the Senate, the House of Representatives, the Clerk of the National Assembly. Others include Governor Sim Fubara, Honorable Edosing, the Rivers State Civil Service Commission, the Inspector General of Police IGP, Justice Omotosho, while ruling on an ex parte motion by the 27 legislative issue and interim ordering restraining Fubara and his agents from obstructing the pro-Wike's legislators from carrying out their constitutional duties. He also reinstated the governors, restrained the governor from redeploying clerks to the assembly, withholding funds meant for assembly pending determination of the substantial suits. But why the other substitutes? Governor Fubara presented budget passed by the 4 lawmakers loyal to him. The governor also prevented the pro-Wike legislators from sitting by demonstrating that part of the assembly complex and withholding funds for legislative function. Delivering judgment, Justice Omotosho had that the 4 lawmakers' passage of the budget and other actions taken while the November 30, 2023 order substantial amount is to be nullified. He said the governor acted like a tyrant in the matter, which the assembly complex was partially demolished and funds for legislative activities were withheld. The governor issued an order restricting Fubara from frustrating the assembly led by Martin from sitting interim in its activities. He also described as unlawful Governor Fubara redeployment of the clerk and deputy clerk out of the assembly, stating that the action announced to amount to an effort on the separation of power. The judge ordered the clerk and deputy clerk to resume office immediately unhindered. Apart from asking Fubara to promptly release all monies as standing and credits to the assembly, he also ordered the Inspector General of Police, IGP, to immediately deploy operations of the assembly complex. The judge also barred the National Assembly from taking over the assembly or accepting or treating any request on Fubara on any matter affecting the legislatives. So now so the matter they ratio, the team plenty. Leave us a comment. Don't forget to like us, share, subscribe. Bye for now.